Hello students, today I am explaining MS Excel. MS Excel is a software, okay, that is built in, that is installed automatically when we install a Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is a package software. Inside that there are so many different applications are automatically installed, just like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, etc. So today's I am explaining Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software that is used to store, organize, and manipulate data in a row and column. In Excel, we can perform complex mathematical calculations on data. It also allows us to represent data in a pictorial form of chart to better understand and analyze our data. No, we know how to start the MS Excel. If you are having PC, you just on it and look at the beside the inside but start button having one search box. On that search box, you type Excel 2016. So it will be open, or either you can start click on start, then all program, and then Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office, and there are so many options are available. You just click Microsoft Excel, so Microsoft Excel will be started in front of you. In Microsoft Excel having two basic concepts. First one is workbook and worksheet. Workbook that appear on the screen is called workbook. It is assigned a temporary name, book 1. It consists of numbers of pages. Actually workbook is just like our notebook. Okay, in notebook having different pages, so many pages inside it. Same thing, a workbook is a in Excel having the just like a numbers of pages. That pages is called worksheet. Worksheet in a workbook are like a pages on of a notebook. A worksheet is a grid-like area made up of rows, columns, where we can enter the data and work with data. Now, this in the component of worksheet, when we start the worksheet and doing the work in worksheets, there are different components. First one is row. It is a arrangement of the cells in a horizontal directions. Each row in a worksheet is identified with the numbers, and row is from top to bottom, and their number will be started from the 1 to 2 till last 1 0 4 8 5 7 6. And same thing in column. Column is arranged from left to right. It is a vertical arrangement of that cell. Okay, and each columns on the worksheet identify the unique letter or combinations of the letters. It is started from A, B, C till Z. After Z it will be started AA, AB, AC, like that, until the last cell is XFD. The total cell, total column in MS Excel is 16,348. Now a cell. Cell is a space where a column and a row intersect. It means by that it is a combinations of one row and one cell. Each cells having unique cell address, which is formed by the written by column letter followed by the row number, just like A1. A1 it means by the first cell of our worksheet. Now active cell. When we click on cell, a thick border differentiate it from the rest of the cell. It indicates that current cell is an active cell. This highlighted box is called cell pointer. Now range of cell, it is referred to the group of adjacent cells of each other formed by the rectangular shape. If we are selecting the numbers of row cells in a worksheet as a reference, so it is called range. When we can specify the range by writing the address of first cells to last cell, both separated by the कॉलम, ठीक है, कॉलम के थ्रू इट इज सेपरेटेड. एग्जाम्पल C1:C10. Now name box is used to show the address of the current selection or active cell. Actually name box and formula box is just above the our worksheet area, or a name of the column just above it. One bar is there and they are having one name box, and name box is show the नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सेल. ओके, जो भी सेल हमने सेलेक्ट किया उसका नेम दिखाता है. सो इट इज़ यूज टू शो द एड्रेस ऑफ द करंट सेलेक्टेड और एक्टिव सेल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॉलम और रो highlighting. Now next is formula bar. It is a bar next to the name box that display the content of the current or active cell. Thank you dear students.